Hi, and welcome back to Second Life as usual. During the weekend, I am sure you have seen me on the first channel assembling the engine block and putting the crankshaft. I have promised you to show you how I torqued the bolts on the main caps. So in this video, I'm gonna go back and forward, future and the past, showing you how I torque these bolts. So when you see this hoodie, that means is current, and when you see the red hoodie, that means past. I think the best way for me to describe it is to write it down for you and then to show you how it is. These are new bolts that I bought. So I'm not using the old bolts because you're not supposed to use the old bolts, and I'm lubricating them, and I will show you how it gets torqued in a bit. All right, okay, let's get the board out. Okay, I think you can see me. I hope you can see the board. So what I did, I think you stand behind because that's what the best for the camera apparently. I'm gonna put the 2.7 Citroen engine. This is a Citroen spec. So if you didn't know, by the way, in the main channel, I've already discussed about the difference between Ford specification and Citroen specification. The main block more or less looks the same, but it gets torqued differently. So if you're torquing at the 2.7, you need to follow Citroen specification. If you're torquing the 3 liter, you need to follow Ford, not Citroen. It's very important because a lot of people get them confused and they think it's all like Citroen, which is the 2.7. I need you to forget about this for now. We'll talk about the 3 liter and then we'll go back to Citroen. And by the way, again, if you haven't been watching the main channel, the reason why we would follow Ford or Citroen, because Land Rover themselves do not release those figures, because as discussed in the main channel, Land Rover do not provide the correct specification for this engine. So first, I'm going to start by tightening the outer bolts only, so I can bring the main cap down. Okay, so let's start with the 3 liter Ford on stage 1. So I'm gonna put number 1 here. In stage 1, we're gonna bolt the outer bolts on cap number 1, 2, and 3. So I drew here cap number 1, 2, and 3. Maybe it's better if I'll put 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 being the flywheel, by the way. This is the back of the engine. This is the front of the engine. So on stage 1, we are going to torque the outer bolts for main cap 1, 2, and 3. So I'll just put here main. So for you to understand, main 1 to 3, okay? And we're gonna torque the outer, okay, outer bolts. So it's this bolt here, and you're gonna start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And we're gonna do them for 40 Newton meter. That's 40. Then next one. Okay, stage 2 will be for the same bolts, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the outer. Again, main 1, 2, 3, outer. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to torque them to 90 Newton meter now. That's 90. Okay, that's 90. Yeah, that's 90. So stage 3, again, we are talking about the same bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, outer. So it's gonna be main 1, 2, 3, outer. Okay, we're gonna torque them, we're gonna turn them, so this is an angle torque. It's going to be 45 degrees. So I put a line, I drew a line on each bolt, and that will give me an indication on when I turn the bolt, because I need to turn it to a 45-degree angle. When I turn it, it'll be easy to know where I am. Of course, this one will do for me, but I can visually inspect it and make sure that this is matching that, just in case. Smart. It's a very smart idea, isn't it? Perfect. And that. Perfect. Yes. That's the one, yeah. 45. Yes. Perfect. Yep. 30, 45. Yep. Pull. Yeah. 30, 45. And 45. Stage number 4 is going to be more or less the same thing. However, now we are going to do them for the inner bolts. It's going to be 40 Newton meter, like that, and then this one, like that, this one. Did I do this one? I think I did. Yeah, but just confirm. No, I didn't, you know? Oh, that's what you did now. And then this one. Perfect. That's stage number 5, okay? We're gonna torque the main, again, 1 to 3. Again, the inner bolt, okay? We're gonna torque them at 90 Newton meter. Okay, that's 90. That's 90. Now this one. 90. This one, 90. This one, 90. And then finally this one, 90. Perfect. Stage number 6, again, we're gonna do exactly the same thing on the same inner bolts. So we're gonna go here, main, okay, 1 to 3, inner bolts. It's going to be 45-degree angle. So again, I'm gonna have to reset it. This device, I'm not gonna lie to you, sometimes can be temperamental. Okay, so now it's 0 degrees. Come on. And then 30, 45. Confirm.
Confirmed, yeah.
Okay, next one. And then 30, 45. Confirmed. Perfect. Takes a lot of time to calibrate. Okay, that's 0, 45. Okay, 45, 45. Stage number 7, we're gonna go main cap, again, main, okay, 1 to 3, but this time we're gonna go all the bolts, so all, we're gonna torque them another 45-degree angle. So now all of them 45-degree angle, starting from the outer, going to the inner. So it'll be like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you see it?
I can see it.
30. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can
45.
Excellent.
Like this?
That's
Yeah,
fine.
that's it.
Yeah, that's it now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should we do that one or should we move to here? I think we should do that one, isn't
Yes,
it?
finish the whole number 1 main cap.
Yeah. Oh no, we start from the outer and then inner.
Yes.
Yeah.
Still outer 1, with the other side.
Correct, yes, correct. Alex got bored of this sequence and stages. She's like, just torque them already. And she's getting fed up of the tool. It's so annoying.
Cool. All I want is just to return it.
But we can't because we bought it a long time.
Yeah.
And that's how we do it all. Now, once we complete this, so once we complete the 1, 2, and 3, we're gonna shift the crankshaft forward. Now, I've seen on a forum, someone with, had a picture online, and what he did is put a piece of wood here, I hope I don't damage it, and then use a bar, basically, a crowbar, yeah, and push it to the front. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. The whole point of this is because remember we had shims here, and we just wanna make sure that it's tight. I think that is the point of it. So let's see. Okay. So stage number 8, it would be just for main cap 4. What we're going to torque now is the opposite. We're going to start with the inner bolts. We're going to go 40 Newton meter, 40 on the inner. Okay. Stage 9, we're going to go onto main cap 4 again, and we're going to do the inner bolt. We're going to get torqued at 90 Newton meter. What do we move to, Alex?
90 Newton meter.
90, correct. So we do 90 here.
Still on the inner.
Still on the inner. Okay, I think it needed a bit more, was a second. That's it, that's 90. And then we do 90 for this.
I think it needs to be a continuous beat.
Yeah. So that's it, yeah? At stage 10, we're gonna go into the main cap number 4. We're gonna torque the inners again. So again, 1, 2, and it will be 45 degrees. Now we're doing the 45 degrees and then send it to 45 degrees. So stage 11, we're gonna go main 4. This is the outer now, 40 Newton meter. Should be easy. Okay, and then we do 40 Newton meter on this one. Okay, and then we do, what do we do, Alex? On a stage number 12, we're gonna go into main 4 outer. We're gonna go 90 Newton meter.
90 Newton meters.
90, okay. Okay, here. That's stage number 13. We're gonna go on the main 4, okay, outer 45 degree. That's 45.
Wow, almost, yes.
Oh, 45.
Oh.
We're not done yet, we're not done. That's stage number 14. On the main cap number 4, we're gonna go all of the bolts, we're gonna go another 45 degrees.
Yes.
Okay, 45. And that should be straight.
The straight line, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one more time. 45.
Yes. Perfect.
That's 45. And the last one. That's the last bolt, and that is it, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Looking forward.
Reset.
Yeah.
That's it. 45. Oh my God.
That took much longer than I thought.
At least we've been here for 15 minutes trying to do this.
Yeah.
15 minutes to torque some bolts. Unbelievable.
In all fairness, though, they're quite important, aren't they?
Yeah.
If we
So,
do it right, then everything else will be okay.
but we're not out of the woods yet.
Yeah.
There are 4 bolts here, the small 4 bolts here on the side.
Yes.
I don't know if the camera can pick it up. They're here, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th.
Yes.
And on the other side, there are 4 more bolts. So stage 1 is going to be really simple. It's going to be 40 Newton meter, okay? And second stage, you're gonna go 45 degree on all of them. As simple as that. But make sure you use Loctite and put under the cap because sometimes it could leak. If you can replace the washers, that would be even better. So now we're gonna do 40 Newton meter. Okay, and then this one. I'm putting lines here so I know when I torque at 45 degrees, what is the maximum torque. So I can do it that way. I think it's easier.
Again, it helps with that visual inspection, doesn't it?
That's right. Okay. So I need to make sure the line doesn't go all the way to 90. 45 is maximum. Okay. 45. Like that. That's 45. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one.
That's 45.
Yeah.
And last one.
This is a tricky one here. I can see it's turned now, the angle.
Like this, yeah?
Yeah.
And then
One more. That's it.
more, a bit more.
A bit more.
That's
Yeah,
it.
like this, yeah.
And that's all up to spec. Now that we've finished everything, Alex, the job is completed, but now I want to test something.
Okay.
Will it turn?
I don't know.
Should we try?
Oh, let's try, yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to have your attention on the 2.7 liter, which is the Citroen one. Now, some people do torque this engine here, the Ford one, like this. So if you are one of those people and you want to do the same, it's totally up to you, but I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. It's going to be really simple and easy. But you know how here we start from 1 to 3 to 4, 1 to 2 to 3 to 4? Here it's going to be different. We're going to not, well, I know this is number 1. I know for a fact this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, and then this is number 4. But we're gonna treat it slightly different. We're gonna pretend that this is number 1 here. We're gonna pretend this is number 1, and then this is number 2, okay, here. And then here is number 3, and then this is number 4. The reason why we do this is because if you wanna be very specific, that's how you would torque it, okay? So you start from here, you move to this one, and then you move to this one, and then you move to this one. But if you don't want to, you don't have to just go like this as well. You can do that. This is a lot more flexible, okay? But with the first torque, the first stage we need to do is torque them all, starting from the outside. Now, if you want to be super specific, you need to start with this one, then this one, A, B, and then you'd go to C, and then go D, and so on. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the outer, and then you'd go the inner, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So outer, then inner, but you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And you torque them all to 60 Newton meter. If you want at this stage, you can do the side screws, okay? The side screws, these ones here, okay? The 8 screws on the sides, okay? You can torque them at 15 Newton meter, okay? That will pull it on the sides and make sure it's all fitted. And then you would go back here into the big bolts, okay? That's stage 3. You'd go back to the big bolts and you would do 145 Newton meter. And you'd go the same thing. So you start only here from the outer and you go to the inner. So you start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay? On the inner. Okay, after you do 145, I'm just gonna put it here, you'd add 90 degrees on all of them, okay? You'd add 90 degrees on all of them. So again, you start from here, and then move to this, move to that, okay? Then you move back to the side bolts, the 8 bolts on the side of the engine, okay? And that would be last stage, that's number 4. And that would be, well, To be specific, you can do 45 degrees, but you can do it's actually specifically is 47, but do 45 degrees on all of the side bolts. And that would be it. That's how the Citroen works. It turns.
It turns.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Wow.
Oh, look at the strawberry jam.
Woo. So I want to see, I think what I need to do is I want to see what kind of energy do I need to turn it.
Yeah.
So to do so, we need to get the bolt and test how much torque does it take to rotate the engine. Is it 1 Newton meter, 2 Newton meter, 3 Newton meter? How much energy does it take to turn it?
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what, it's not much. It's not much. Like my hands are slippery and it's turning. So let me just find the bolt and then we can go from there. Okay, so I put the bolt, yeah?
Yeah.
I have not tested it yet, but this is, oh my God, I'm so stressed. I want to know, I don't have enough torque to test the measurement. Okay, the minimum one I have, which is the smallest one I have here. Yeah. Is 5 Newton meter. Yeah, which is a lot. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I wanna see. This is heavy.
Yeah.
Do you think? Oh, I have an idea.
Yeah.
If I put it with the weight of it, do you think it will turn the engine?
Let's try.
Let's see.
What, on its own?
Yeah. No, it won't. With it. Oh.
That's amazing.
The engine is so smooth. Check this out.
It's actually moving.
It's moving just from the weight of this. Let's try again.
Try again.
Check this out. Now I understand that this is a 2.7 Citroen and I understand this is a 3-liter Ford, and it's very weird because we work on Land Rover engine, but that is the situation. I really hope you find this information useful to you. If you have, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for future videos. I thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye. The next video should appear on the weekend on the main channel, hopefully, if everything goes well, because next I need to install some well, you'll see on the main channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.